Service Level Optimization using Logix. This is a quick tutorial using Logix Service Level Optimization from Logistics Solutions. The tutorial will show you how to set up a typical network problem and solve for the location and number of fulfillment centers that can meet our service level criteria at either the lowest cost or with the fewest number of sites. First, let's take a look at the problem we're trying to solve. Log into Logix and select the demo from the startup screen. Then, select How to Model Service Levels from the list of demo tutorial projects. We're assuming you've already learned how to add customers and DCs in Logix by following some of the earlier tutorials. Logix instantly loads a typical supply chain scenario with multiple fulfillment centers or DCs and customers with demand showing the volume of packages for delivery over a time horizon. The problem we want to solve is how many fulfillment centers do we need to stock with inventory for this customer base where we require a certain percentage of our customers to receive next day or one-day delivery service. In this case, our service level criteria is 90%. So, with these criteria, we've entered a radius of service of 600 miles, or about the range for one-day delivery, and a service level of 90% under our model parameters. We'll see later that we can also enter hours and minutes for service level if that's more appropriate. Click on Default Parameters and we can see that, for this problem, each fulfillment center requires approximately $1 million in inventory and operating costs over an annual period, and transportation costs should be computed at $1 per mile for each delivery vehicle with a capacity of 2,000 packages. Clicking on Maps, we can see where all of our available fulfillment centers or DCs are located, as well as the geographic spread of our customers. First, let's say that we've already tried to manually solve this problem by assigning each customer to one of our fulfillment centers. We can set this up in Logix by designating each customer and its assigned fulfillment center with an identical region ID as we've done in this demo. When we click on Simulation, Logix quickly calculates all the warehouse, inventory, and transportation costs for the entire network that we previously set up manually. Logix calculates the cost using our parameters at over $24 million, with an unsatisfactory service level of slightly over 65%, meaning that only 65% of our customers will receive one-day service instead of the 90% or more that we require. Clicking on Maps, we can visualize our manual solution. All the customers shown with a green icon are within our 600-mile radius of service and one-day delivery. The customers shown with a blue icon are within a 2-day service area. Those in yellow are within 3 days, and those within 4 days or more would be shown in red. We can also click on our analytics dashboard and see that volume-weighted service level is 67% one-day delivery, 26% 2 days, 6% 3 days and 0% 4 or more days. We could continue this trial and error process, but let's let Logix optimize the problem for us. So, we want Logix to optimize both the location and assignment of customers to our available fulfillment centers. Let's choose that we want to optimize for the fewest number of sites. Alternatively, setting radius of service as info only would yield the least cost solution, while also choosing the appropriate number of sites that meet our service level criteria. Enter an asterisk for number of sites to let Logix select the location and the number of sites for us. Click on Optimize Service and the Logix optimization engine solves this problem for us in a few minutes while meeting or exceeding our service level criteria. We can now see that with only 5 optimally located sites, our cost has been reduced to $16 million, and we've met our service level criteria at 90.4%. First, we can click on Summary Reports to view, save or print a summary of our results. Then, click on Maps and we can visually see the results with most of our customers now receiving one-day delivery shown with the green icon and a few receiving at most 2-day delivery shown with the blue icon. And now, there are no more customers shown with a yellow or red icon. Again, click on the Analytics dashboard and we can see that the weighted service levels are 93% one-day delivery and 7% two-day delivery, and no deliveries requiring more than 2 days. We can also solve the service level problem entering radius of service in hours and minutes, and even change the travel speeds to reflect walkers, bikers, e-vans and delivery vans in a more urban delivery environment. Feel free to contact Logistics Solutions for more details and some advanced techniques for solving the service level optimization problem or any of your supply chain scenarios.